Okay, good morning to you all. If you're watching, if you're going to this video, this is a video I'm recorded for all students registered on the ongoing web design class for PACT Academy. So I'll just go straight to the point. So now, my name is Christian Joshua, and I'm the founder of PACT Agency and PACT Academy. So for a few weeks now, a few Saturdays, we've been going through, 100% practical step-by-step on how to design a full business website and the rest. So right now we are focusing on how to design an e-commerce website. Okay, so this class is intended to show you the step-by-step guide on how to design a full e-commerce website. And of course, to design any e-commerce website, there are steps and there are things you need or components needed to design an e-commerce website. So first, you need a template, you need a domain and a hosting, you need plugins. Okay, so plugins are like inbuilt components that gives beauty to any website. Okay, so I want us to kick this off straight away. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so yes, so there we go. We have this, all right. So number one, we have templates. Before you can design any website, of course, you need a template, okay? You need plugins. So like I said, each template comes with a plugin, which comes with its own plugins, all right? You need a domain name and you need a hosting. So what is the difference between a domain name and hosting? So now I am recording this video from wherever location I am, all right? So this location, the building where I am sitting right now, or the room I am occupying right now is a domain of this building, all right? So if there is no building here, this apartment or this room would not be available, all right? If the street that is that this building is built on is not existing, this building would not exist. So it means that before a domain can be visible, or, for anyone in the world to see, there must be a hosting. A hosting is that element that keeps a domain that says, oh, you know what, I am ready to allow other people to see you, to announce you, to help you go worldwide, but you have to pay me rent. All right, so you have to pay me a token every month or every year or quarterly. All right, so that is what a hosting is. Okay, so and now I want us to go straight. We already have a template. We have plugins, and there are different softwares to developing or designing any website. We have the Blogger, we have the Tumblr, we have what's it called, WordPress, and other CMS. That's CMS means content management system. All right, content management system. All right, so there's simplest and basic CMS, content management system, or software you're going to be using to develop or design this website and practical class is WordPress. All right, WordPress is used by big multinationals. It's even used by most big news agencies like BBC. They use WordPress. All right, so it is the simplest and quick to use CMS. All right, so I want us to go straight to how to this software we're going to be using. It's called Local WP. Okay, so let me stop the screen and I'll share my next screen with you. All right, okay, so now there is this software that's being used. It is called Local WP. I guess it's www.local.com. Yeah, let's see if that is the right URL. No. Okay, so let's see, localwp.com. I hope it is. Okay, yes, this is it. This is it. It's called local WP, that is local WordPress. So what this is about is, it is installing WordPress on your system, right, on your laptop, making sure you have the WordPress installed on your laptop so you can design your website locally on your laptop. All right. So in order to install this on your laptop, so you go straight to where you have download. All right. So you click on this button. Okay. Make sure you follow my step. You come to local, this URL. I will include it in the link, in the description link. Okay. So you come to localwp.com and you head straight to where you have download. Okay. So you, on this arrow, this drop down arrow, you click on it and you choose Windows. All right. So now you go ahead and fill in your details, your name, your last name, your work email, your phone number, and click on Get It Now. And then, of course, you wait for it to be downloaded. All right. So for me, I already have this downloaded on my system, so I'm not going to go ahead to download this again. All right. So I'm going to stop this and share my screen again so I can show you the software. All right, so let me open the software. And so once you install it on your system, you go ahead and set up, run the setup, all right, and do everything needed for you. And yeah, that's it. So when you are done, let me show you my screen. Okay, just a few seconds. Few seconds, guys. Okay, this is my Zoom. I was kind of looking for it. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. All right, perfect. Awesome. So there you go. So now, after installation, this is what you have. Okay, so it's going to give you a blank template, a blank screen. And if you want to start designing any website, all right, so you have to click on this arrow, this plus sign. You click on this plus sign, all right. And now, so for me, I want to create a new site, okay, and I click on continue. Make sure it must be on create a new site, all right. I click on continue and I type the name of the site I want. Take for instance, I say tutorial test, all right. So I click on continue and I leave it on this preferred. Do not tamper with this, just leave it on preferred, all right. You click on continue and yes, so you need a username, all right. So let's say my username will be tutorial test and my password will be, let me enter my password. Okay, so I have just entered my password, all right. So my work email, I will say, okay, so this is the email I want to use for as the WordPress email. All right. So once you are done with this, do not click on anything else. Just click on Add Site. All right. And wait, it is now creating your folder. So here it's going to create your database, create everything for you, and then you wait for it. All right. So guys, this is how to set up the software. All right. The local WP software where our class would take place. All right, so I'm going to end this video while I continue the recording. All right, guys, so just make sure you stay tuned and keep following. Thank you.